Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 28th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. PST, all documentation should be current and ready to go. Cell phone, students should not have a cell phone in class. It can be in your backpack and powered off. Also, outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets and sweatshirts that do not follow our uniform policy. Make sure that once students are in your classroom that their outerwear meets the uniform guidelines. No hoodies. Today's late duty is Miss Check. Tomorrow, Miss Weaver. 30th, Miss Washam, and Thursday, Miss Wolf. Also, Friday will be Miss Heichman, but her name didn't make it on there. Important dates, we have ACAP going on today. We have ACAP alternate going on today. Tomorrow, we have PST. Our scholar supporters, for Miss Overstreet's class, they are being cheered on by pre-K. Miss Waller and Miss Lee are rooting for our 4th graders. Miss Guidry and Miss Cunningham are cheering on our 5th graders. Miss Shaver and Miss Clark are cheering on our 3rd graders, which are entering their last week of testing today. And Miss Duberg and Miss Hogan are cheering for our 2nd graders, which are finishing up their testing this week. So, thank you for supporting all of our friends and our testers. Congratulations to our Already Stars of the Week, the top class with the highest percent of students with 30 minutes more engaged time. In K1, it was Miss Duberg's class. Oh, and Miss Duberg is not even here this morning to hear that. Somebody's going to have to call her and tell her. 2nd and 3rd grade, Miss Granger with 100%. 4th and 5th was Miss Moore with 86%. Top students with the most lessons. K1 is Miss Cammie in Miss Clark's class with 10 lessons. 2-3 is Ryan. Way to go, Ryan, in Miss Granger's class with 14 lessons. And in grades 4 and 5, George Floyd with 6 lessons in Miss Wolf's class. So awesome job to all our Already Superstars. We had lots of classes getting lots of points. So way to go. I've also seen some of those Waggle trophies filling up with points. I know lots of students are getting lots of gems. Way to go, guys, for working so hard. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.